sorry it's been a while since the last episode, but the things the way that they are, and the quarantine's still ongoing, it's... I'm sorry it's been a while since the last episode, but obviously with things being as crazy as they are with the quarantine, supplies have been quite hard to come by, which is why it is so important that you leave a like, you leave a comment, because that really funds the show and that lets us do future episodes. So let's get started with Quarantine Cooking with Chris. Well, it's the first episode of the month, and you know what that means. Pollard's pasta pie. Let's go and see what's been left in the quarantine cupboards today. Well gang, it's Pollard's pasta pie. So let's see what we've got in the quarantine cupboards for today. Why is that it? This is absolutely one of my favourite meals to make, and I can't wait to be making it with you all today. Chicken and herb flavoured super noodles, low fat. It's going to be a cracker. Let's crack on. Sorry. Let's get started with today's episode. The chicken and herb instant noodle snack. It's one of my all-time favourites. Let's start now. Well done. You're doing so... Well done. You're doing so well so far. And now we just have to wait a few minutes for our delicious quarantine meal to be fully cooked and ready to eat. I don't know how I'm going to eat it if we've got no gas, we've got no electric. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to have a go.
Oh.